Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the sweet friends are good and healthy. God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, friends, for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see in this video I am providing you gorgeous and trendy amazing autumn nail art collection. So friends, watch the video start to end, don't skip the video, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful, especially for college going girls. So viewers, share this video with your family and friends who want these type of beautiful collection ideas. I really hope that they will love these amazing ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. You can apply these most amazing designs on your nails for more beautiful and gorgeous look. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your nail art. So if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so friends, like my video, subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. See you soon. Bye bye.